7 feet of snow slamming Sierra Nevada and California over the weekend, and several more feet expected later this week. That blizzard started 3 days ago. The snow finally stopped falling earlier today. However, winter storm warnings are still in effect for mountain areas through Wednesday. As you can see, residents there still digging out as much as they can while they have this brief pause and start gearing up for what's next.
We're still maybe 5 or 6 feet below where we were last year as far as snowbanks go. But yeah, we went from 0 to 100 pretty fast.
It is pretty crazy. I'm not going to say it's not. It's pretty scary for the most part.
Well, the next round of snowfall isn't expected to be as strong as what they saw over the weekend. Thank goodness.